have what is necessary to elect leaders that will fix the problems of Kenya, says former President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta.
They must be given an opportunity to take, so that they are in a position to determine for themselves how they wish the Kenya they want to be. Sio wewe kuja kuambia ati itakuwa hivi. Wenyewe wanajua Kenya ile wanataka.
Speaking in Murang'a in a closed-door meeting that brought together top party officials and key delegates, including Jubilee presidential candidate Dr. Fred Matiang'i, who is also its deputy party leader, along with Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni, to deliberate on the party's future direction and restructure ahead of the 2027 polls. Uhuru won the Mount Kenya region of voting leaders whose agenda is only to dish money to the voters.
Wafunguliwe nafasi waweze kuchukua vyeo vya uongozi na kujitekelezea wenyewe yale ambaye wanataka. Yetu sisi ni kuwapatia mawaidha.
Kenyatta, who to that stands as the de facto lead of the Jubilee Party, cautioned party officials against attacking Gachagua and other leaders, calling for mutual respect and political tolerance within the party. Retired President urged party members to focus on their political agenda rather than personal attacks, warning that continued discipline will not be tolerated. Kenyatta directed Jubilee Party Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni to take disciplinary action against those who defy his directive.
Na ndipo mliona nikienda nikasema hata kama tumeshindana na wakina Raila na wengine, jameni, wacha tushikane. Kwa sababu tusiposhikana tutaendelea na huu uhasima, na huu uhasima huwezi kutusaidia na huwezi kutusongesha mbele.
Uhuru expressed disappointment that some of the leaders had resorted to using social media to hurl insults at others while pretending to defend the party. Kenyatta's remarks come a month after Gachagua backtracked on his early apology to the former president and his family for the perceived bad blood during the 2022 general elections. Matthew Perez for GBS News.